also, I would like to invite everyone to please make their way. Hear me if you're in the grounds. Please make your way to the tent as we will.
And you can hear our voices, and please come on inside, come onto the tent. There's a lot of space here.
Stalls that is available here for you. If you're looking for food as well. To the opening night of the Vodafone Coral Coast Carnival 2019.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the Reverend Shalendra Kumar.
Coral Coast Carnival Association must take the opportunity to welcome you all to the 2000.
Let's acknowledge the CEO of the Sinatoga Municipal Council, the chair of the organizing committee for this carnival, the sponsors and various other parties, of course the current Queen, who will of course get replaced by the new contestants who will be participating over the next 1 week. It gives me much pleasure to be here. As you know that this is a night not to make very long speeches, but I wanted to remind some of you that the Coral Coast, in fact, Festival started way back in the 1960s when it was a very novel thing to do so. And it was in fact held, or in fact the idea was started by a group of local people. And some of them of course live still amongst you. People like Kanti Tapu were involved in the starting up of the Coral Coast Festival. And since then it's actually become a feature of the town itself, and of course over the years there was a bit of a lull. And I'm glad that it's been revived again. Of course it could not have been done without the sponsors, Vodafone themselves. But these sorts of festivals and carnivals, in fact, are very significant for a community because it brings everybody together. It gives a great sense of a social network, of community, people coming together for a particular cause. And that is critically important for any country, any society, any locality, to ensure that we have that spirit of community well-being. The Reverend talked about having well-being is of course not just about the community itself, but it's also about the individual, your physical well-being, your mental well-being, your spiritual well-being. And hopefully with the theme this year being focused in that area, you'll have the contestants talking more about it, and more people will actually get a lot more attention regarding that particular aspect of our daily lives. I'd like to particularly thank, and I always say this whenever I go to any of these type of carnivals and contests, that the queens, that the ladies who actually put themselves up to be contestants, do all of us an enormous favor by putting themselves up, doing the catwalk. It's not very easy to be scrutinized by everybody, people to be critical of you, people to compliment you for that whole week. And they of course are the main attraction, the star attraction of the carnival itself. So I think even though they're not here there at this moment, let's put our hands together for all those contestants who put themselves up, and also all those companies and organizations that would be sponsoring them. Thank you for your participation, because that's what really makes these carnivals. Ladies and gentlemen, overall, of course, as you know, Singatoko Town, there's a lot of work being carried out through the Municipal Council. You've got your river embankment improvements that's going on. There's quite a few other things that we'll be doing, not just in terms of the roads and the street lighting. We've got a program for that to improve that, but also in the water reticulation systems. So I think we need all of your focus, ability to help ensure that Singatoko Town does well. I have a very simple message. Please be proud of your town. Please look after your town. It involves a very simple thing like not throwing rubbish. If you're eating a packet of twisties, you're eating some ice cream, don't just simply throw the packet, because you're actually dirtying your town. Not just dirtying your town, you're dirtying your river, your waterways, your river systems, your creeks, which is not healthy for the environment. And with a focus on climate change, we need to feel a lot more attuned, a lot more sensitized about our environment, about the climate around us. So thank you very much for being here this evening. I'd like to thank the organizers for this invitation. It's a pleasure to always come back and meet everybody back home, and I look forward to meeting more of you this evening. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our team. Vodafone Gold Coast Carnival 2019 torch. I would like to thank our major. And rental, Let's Eat Delicacy, White Tali Villas, Sanjay Rental, Taxi and Tours, Cafe India, Restaurant.